welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today tonight we're going to be making some slime. It should look somewhat like this. So, we got a bottle of glue, and each of us is going to get half of it. So, we'll show you what it looks like after. Okay, you get the rest. Okay.
You got more than me.
I know, but it's fine.
That's not fair.
Oh, it don't matter.
We got Sky mixing tool. We just broke off.
It was a spoon or a fork, and then we just broke it off.
I did it.
Well, he did it, and so
Why is mine way over here?
We are just gonna take some Tide, and we are gonna just put a little bit in. Because you don't need that much.
Wow. That's good. Put less in mine. Just put like that. That's enough. Mix.
And this is what it should look like so far. And then you're going to mix.
Mine's already turning into slime. Mine's slime already.
But
I got slime. I got...
She said Miguel was going to be in this video. I don't care. She can be in it if she wants. It's just that we're making the slime.
Mine turned out. It's good. I want a little bit more detergent though.
Okay.
Because it's
sticky.
There you go. Now this should do the trick.
Make sure to wash your hands after because the slime makes your hands really greasy.
It's detergent.
And I'm just going to keep on mixing until it doesn't stick the spoon anymore. And then I'm just going to go ahead and put my hands in. So,
at the end, the slime will look like this. If you have food dye.
I
food coloring.
Or markers.
Oh yeah, I made some.
Whoa, I
made some crunchy.
Mine's not sticky to my hands now.
But that's when I did have my
phone.
I got my phone like 3 days